So let's figure out what are the details given to us. Here we have this angle as 70 degree, right? We have this side as length 3.6 meter, and we are supposed to calculate the angle A with the wall and ladder and height of the wall B, right? Now in such cases,
Yes.
what we are supposed to do first of all, look, we know this is 70 degree, right? And we also know that sum of all the angles in the triangle is 180 degree. What we can do is simply 70 degree plus this one is 90 here, because wall is always supposed to be 90 degree with the ground, right? So 90 degree plus angle A, right? We don't need to use any trigonometry here. It is pretty simple, and the sum of all the angles in the triangle is 180 degree. Now let's add 70 and 90, right? This is going to be 160 degree plus angle
Yes.
A, right? Equal to 180 degree. Now what we can do is simply subtract 160 degree both the sides. 160 degree minus 160 degree here plus of angle A equal to 180 degree minus 160 degrees.
60.
And here left hand side 160 minus 160 becomes 0. Angle A is left equal to 180 minus 160 is 20
Yeah.
degree.
20.
And this is your final answer. That's how you are supposed to do this part. Now the next part. We have two angles in the triangle, actually all the angles, and we
Yes.
have one side. What we are supposed to find in this is adjacent or opposite. It depends on which angle you are using. If you are using 70 degree angle, in that case you will have to find opposite. If you are using 20 degree, in that case you have to find adjacent, right? What you know already is the hypotenuse. So now use a trigonometric ratio which uses adjacent and hypotenuse, or opposite and hypotenuse. If I use sine ratio or sine theta says that the ratio of opposite over hypotenuse. I want B side as opposite. So I will be using 70 degree, right? So sine of 70 degree, sine of 70 degree is equal to opposite. I don't know that. That is B over hypotenuse. I know 3.6 meters, right? So B is going to be value of sine 70. I mean, whatever, we haven't figured it out yet, times 3.6 meters. And in the end, you will end up getting B is equal to, what is the value of
Yeah.
sine 70 degree? 0.939.
Yeah.
I'm
No.
going to take
Yeah.
three significant figures, okay?
Okay.
Times 3.6 meters. And when you will multiply, write it similar to 3.4 meters. This is the second answer, right?